This is a nonprofit organization, Blankets for Babies. With Blankets for Babies, you can see that there are several sections where you can start at the home and look at a beautiful baby in a NICU, which makes you then want to know why this is here. So then we scroll down and we see this statistic. So this is just the simple home page. And then we go down here to the About Us. Now the About Us talks about what Blankets for Babies does. And Blankets for Babies is simply a non-profit organization where people can donate their time to help cut out heart pairs. And the heart pairs are for the mom and the baby. So one heart goes to the mom that she will sleep with. Then the other heart goes with the baby, and that baby will sleep with it. Then they will switch the hearts in the daytime, so that way the baby can bond with the mother without physically touching. After the About Us, we then have the gallery. And in here in the gallery, we can find that there are different pictures that show what the blankets will become, and we strive for a goal of the bonding of the baby and the mother. Lastly, the section is Donate Time. And donating time is where we see this beautiful picture of the baby and the mom together, which is what we strive here at Blankets for Babies. Then, as we scroll down to the very bottom, we can see that there's a Donate Time Now box, and that there's a name and email address that can be sent. And we also have here various social media websites where you can go to learn more about Blankets for Babies. I would have to say that having done this webpage, it has been such a great experience, having learned from the beginning how to properly create and do various codes. And I loved being able to experience the activities in action, being able to apply them here on this page. I feel like I have just learned so much, and with lots of tutoring and help, I was able to grow my knowledge of coding. I would say that I think the most difficult part was probably the wireframe, but now being able to see the end result has just been an incredible experience, and I'm so grateful to have been a part of Com 310 creating online media.